In Uganda's urban areas, charcoal remains the primary cooking fuel, with over 91% of households relying on it. However, this dependence comes at a cost: deforestation, indoor pollution, and high expenses. To address these issues, the Ugandan government aims to reduce biomass cooking to 50%. Electric cooking offers a cost-effective and energy-efficient alternative. My name is Ivan Pitman Musingo, and this is the Clean Energy series on the African Planet. Today, we take you to Mbarara City, deep in the southwestern part of Uganda, in East Africa, also known as the land of milk and honey, where we had an opportunity to speak with city and community leaders about this transition and the need for mindset change on clean cooking. Electric pressure cookers have proven to save time and reduce household energy costs. To accelerate the adoption, the Behavior Change Communication for E-Cooking project is promoting electric cooking solutions. Dr. Nicholas Mukisa is the Deputy National Coordinator for the National Renewable Energy Platform.
Recently, the government of Uganda, with support from the UK government, embarked on a project of promoting clean cooking in the country. And as part of that project, the National Renewable Energy Platform is implementing a segment of awareness or behavior change. If we change the way our leaders look at clean cooking and they understand it, they will go out and sensitize other people about the technologies. So today we've had a leaders engagement where we've been engaging our local leaders in Mbarara, and we've had a fruitful day of discussion. Beyond the discussions and trainings on clean cooking, we've done demonstrations. We've cooked. We are privileged to have the RCC and the Mayor Kachebezi participate in the cooking. They cooked molokoni, which is the cattle hoof, kalo, millet, and they've also cooked beans. They've tasted the food. They've attested that the food is nice and tasty. The molokoni was cooked in about 1 hour's time. The beans were boiled in less than an hour. The cassava, 15 minutes. The kalo, of course, water was boiled in 12 minutes and mingled in about 3 to 5 minutes. So these are some of the things people normally say they're impossible to be done using electricity. Collectively, whatever we've cooked, not spent even 3,000 of equivalent of electricity. But yet, if you had to cook all those things on charcoal, on firewood, you'd have spent more than 10,000. So the leaders left equipped with the knowledge. Some of them were equipped with appliances to go and do this cooking at home, but also go and share experiences of how the appliances cook.
Targeted campaigns must focus on educating the masses about the benefits of electric cooking, saving time, reducing physical effort, and improving indoor air quality.
I'm called Kachebezi Robert Mugabe, City Mayor, Mbarara City. First of all, I want to appreciate what the ministry has done. To first call the stakeholders to sensitize and engage them in the implementation of the project. Like, for example, I did the demonstration. I saw how it is working. Even if you reached home when you are from a certain function or office late, it doesn't require you to go to the whatever. You can put the utensil in the socket, then you prepare food. You prepare something and you eat and go. It is time saving, what I have seen. Environmental, conservation saving, also protection. That's another issue. Then another thing, it is smart and clean. There is no smoke, there is no whatever.
In a study of 400 households across 6 major cities revealed that while 85% have electricity access, only 62% experience reliable service. Most households rely on charcoal spending an average of 67,000 Uganda shillings monthly on cooking fuels. With less than 2% of households currently using electric cooking appliances, reducing costs and improving supply chains are key to widespread adoption.
Over the years, we've lost significant forest cover in the search for firewood, new shelters, and agricultural land. And these are things that are going to continue. We are going to continue eating, we are going to continue to produce and have bigger population, and we are going to continue to do agriculture because we must meet our food demands. So we expect that by the end of this year, about 3% of our population, of our people, should have transitioned to clean cooking technologies. But also, we are looking at their behavior change. The project foresees an impact of change or reach impacting about 13 million people.
Catherine Kamwine is the resident city commissioner, Mbarara.
The last week of February was fire. We tested the heat and we felt it. So my appeal is that we go and plant trees this season beginning. I want to begin with the city, that I will not allow any building without a tree in front of it. People say we don't have land. Why don't you plant trees on all your boundaries? Let's adopt tree planting and the maintenance of the trees. All institutions must plant trees. Not for wood lots, for cooking, but also to clean the pollution in the air. Then we can agree, if I'm to cut a tree, how many do I plant to replace the tree? And it must be mature. But also, let's change and adopt clean cooking technologies. You could see we were all seated here, no one was complaining about the smoke while we were cooking food in. We were busy doing other things because the other thing is timed. You know, when it's ready, it will switch off itself. Those who are asking about burning, toka asiriza, echipecho kusetinjira target.
David Sancho Niwagaba, the city environment officer, shared insights on the conservation efforts underway to restore Mbarara's green ecosystem.
When this program comes in of clean cooking, it is addressing on one, the effect of cutting trees, and this is leading to changes in the weather patterns. Previously, we used to know when it is a rainy season, when it is a dry season, but now it is very difficult to predict. In these 2-3 months, we have had a heat wave, and this is as a result of encroaching on the forests, cutting down the trees, encroaching on the water catchment systems like the wetlands. And so when we have this program, it is linked, but because most of the communities are relying on firewood, they have gone in to cut the trees. And now these areas are all degraded. When it is in a rainy season, we are going to experience soil erosion. And all this is washed down to the water catchment areas like the wetlands. And this will affect the quality of water. And we are saying clean cooking also involves having clean water.
Ugandan households can save money, improve health, and protect the environment. The future of cooking is electric. Let's make it happen for a better tomorrow. Until next time, check out our other interesting and transformative stories on YouTube at The African Pin. And for those of you who enjoy audio stories, we are now on AfriPods. Our handle is The African Pin.